Ever wondered if humans can really hear colors? Well, they can. It's called synesthesia, a condition where your senses mix, turning sound into sight. And did you know that every time lightning strikes, it creates tiny bits of glass? Called fulgurites, these glass tubes are nature's own treasure. Oh, and there are creatures in the deep ocean that can glow in the dark. Some can even change their shapes at will. Now that's creepy and cool. Humans also have a sixth sense. We can predict future events with up to 60% accuracy. It is called the precognition effect. Mind-blowing, right? Stay tuned for more weird and mind-bending facts.